Welcome guys. Today we are going to download paid Udemy courses for free, and this is very easy. You can do it very easy. So first thing you have to create an account on Udemy. So I basically logged in, and then after that you are going to search here the course you want. So I want this course. So I basically want this course. You are seeing that its price is $10. It's $11. So how to download it for free? I'm opening a website that it gave free coupons. So I will paste the links in description. You can go to the description and view this. So when you are there, this is the website. You can see here, this is all the courses, and this is all coupons. You can view this website. There's a lot of courses there. So I go to search. After that I paste the course name here and search for it. So you are seeing this is the course that I want. We are this course here. This is the course, guys. After that, guys, you are seeing here's the description for this course. After that, what you can do is come down. Go to this, take course, close this ad. After that, you are seeing this link. Click on this link. Now you are seeing this course is free. I can enroll in this course. You are seeing this course is totally free, guys. Here now I enroll. You can see, guys, this course is now free. Hope guys you are enjoyed watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys.